Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the Dewalt buy one get one free Makita. All those deals, the new deals, they're just here. They're here now. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Yes, the buy one get one free from Dewalt finally here. This is definitely something we were waiting for. So this is the Dewalt $3.99. It looks like a 3-tool combo kit. Those are the batteries right there. A 2 and a 4, I believe. A 2 and a 4 and a 6. A 4 amp hour and a 6 for $149. That's a great deal. If you're looking to stock up on some batteries, definitely recommend you guys get them with the battery deals here. That's a 21 piece black and gold for $19.97. And then those are the bare tools you guys could get. $3.99. That's the 3-tool combo kit with the high impact wrench. That's the 5 amp hour battery. You guys could get that for free with the purchase of any tool. These are the tools. You got the job site fan on the bottom, $119. And then you got the sander, $129. Yeah, that's the way it looks right there. So you got the sander, you got the oscillating tool, $129. You got the compact impact wrench, 3/8. You got the router, and you got the 16 gauge nailer. So definitely check it out. There's a lot of great deals here, and I believe these are hackable. If you guys don't know what hackable is, you guys could take this, buy your tool and your free battery, take it to obviously check out everything, and then pretty much return the battery or return the tool, however you want to do it, if that's what you want to do. So, but you know what, this is a killer deal, so I would definitely keep both battery and tool. You're getting a killer deal. If you buy the fans usually about $50, battery's about another 50, so definitely check it out. $12.97 for the utility blades, and then you got the utility blades replacements there, 75 piece. $3.99, 15 amp 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. It's on sale. $89 for this 55 self-leveling crossline laser measure. It's a really nice. It comes with a little case, and you got some more 5 amp hour batteries here with some more tools. You got some fans. I did do a video for this fan, so definitely check it out. I'll see if I can link it up above. But those deals are live at the stores. If you guys don't find this setup at your store, make sure you guys pick up your tool and your 5 amp hour battery and take it to the register and scan it. Obviously scan the tool first and then scan the battery, so you can get this deal. Even if this is not up, still it's live at the store, or you can show them this video if you guys want to do so. But just don't ask anybody, just go ahead and scan your items, and the system will automatically do it for you. Those are the countersink bits there. And you got a 2-tool combo kit, looks like a drill and oscillating tool combo kit. You got this $229 installation drill driver, and you get one of those free. I believe they're still running these deals. Definitely check them out. You get one of those bare tools. Then they got this, guys. This is an awesome deal. If you do framing, this saw with 2 free 5 amp hour batteries. If you guys hack this, or if you guys are just paying $150 for the saw, definitely check it out. Then they got this framing nailer here from Makita. So if you guys do a lot of projects, you know, framing and stuff like that, or just general contracting, that's the saw. It's a dual voltage 36 volt saw. Not a dual voltage, it's dual battery. Those are the batteries you guys are gonna get for free. If you guys return those batteries, the saw's only gonna be around $150. So definitely check it out. It's a killer deal. Like I said, just keep both of them because they're both great deals. And then I saw this crown stapler. I don't know what's the deal with this one. They didn't have any price or anything. They just had this miter saw, the price for this miter saw. It's a 15 amp 10-inch sliding compound miter saw. I don't know what's up with that. So they did have this pneumatic coil roof nailer for $179. And then we got the framing nailer, 21 degree, 3.5 full round head framing nailer, $149, as you guys see there. So it's a really nice looking nailer. This is a basically the deals they got from Makita now. So definitely the saw is the best deal out of all these. This and the free tools from Dewalt. So if you guys are in those any of those two platforms, definitely check them out. At least just for the free batteries. You know, you guys are getting free batteries with these things. $2.99 for the 3 horsepower big bore air compressor. So if you guys are looking to run those nailers, definitely you need a compressor here. But pretty much you can run it. And always check the battery compartment or the battery section of the Home Depot. Sometimes they'll put those yellow tags here, and they got some crazy deals. Same thing with the clearance section. Always run by the clearance section. You'll never know what you're gonna find. So 128 for this Eagle 56 volt 15-inch trimmer with carbon fiber. I believe it does include a battery. This is the nicer string trimmer. They got two different ones. I believe this one has the auto feed or the auto winding type of thing. 129 for this mower. This is a small 13-inch mower. This is for an apartment, maybe a condo, something really small that has just a small yard. Got the Joby 18 volt brushless string trimmer. 139. It was 169. So definitely check it out. If you guys are on the Ryobi platform, if you guys like Ryobi, I would definitely go for Eagle, preferably. But if you guys can't find that at your store, Ryobi's definitely can be decent. Then I found this. It said $38 at the bottom. I don't know if it's the right tag. I didn't at the time. I didn't take a picture of the close up to the tag, but it said $38.90. I don't think it's the right one, so I would just definitely double check on your store. See if that's the right. See what the price is, if it's on clearance or not. Got the Eagle Edger. That's the or not the Eagle, the Echo. That's like an attachment at the power attach. I always check out the clearance section for the extension cords. The other day I got what was it, 100-foot 12.3 extension cord for like $20. So that was like a 60-70 bucks extension cord for $20. It was just so great to, pretty much to find something like that. Anyways, that's it. Just a short video for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.